What's up, buds? Just got home and the OnePlus Buds are here, so I'm pretty excited. So let's unbox these and see what they look like. Welcome to Wanna Buy It. On this channel, we do a whole bunch of tech and audio reviews. So if you guys are into that stuff, hit the subscribe button down below and don't forget to hit the bell notification. And to all my subscribers now, thank you so much for subscribing. I'm pretty excited when I got off of work and I seen these on the porch. I was like, here we go. I'm so happy that they got here early. So we're gonna bust these bad boys open. You know what else got here? My wife got me this little Hitachi Chibi. And if you guys don't know, you haven't been on this channel, I'm all about this. I love Hitachi. I'm very, very, very hyped for this. So I'm pretty excited that these are here. I was happy because it said it was gonna be the 5th, but it came a little bit early. So taking the case off, this is what it looks like right when you open it up, fresh out of the case. And let's get there. We'll put these to the side. A little slippery, I can already tell now. Got your little white thing. Oh, trying to pull that out of there. Let's see here. All right. And right here we got the USB Type-C to charge up your earbuds, and then just your user manual. That's all there is in there, nothing else. All right, so we got your little plastic all over it. Got your little, man, it's like a little egg-shaped thing. You guys are gonna see them before I do, buds. What do they look like? Let's take them out. Oh, they feel good, I can tell you that. I like the way they feel. Oh, those is clean. They do look like AirPods, that's for sure. Like, they look exactly like AirPods. That is wild. Those look good right there. Oh man. Put that in the ear. They're light. These are so light. They're crazy light. The texture is really grippy on here. It looks slippery because it looks so shiny, but it's not at all. It's really grippy. Like, it's weird to explain. But yeah, they have a nice little grip on them. They're really light. They're super light. All right, bud. So this is what they look like on the ear. They're really light. They're not bugging me at all. They kind of disappear like the AirPods. That's really clutch. I can already tell you that it feels really good. They don't feel like they're slipping. They don't feel like they're going anywhere. And this is what they look like. You know, a little turn for you guys, buds. But yeah, I hope they sound good. Everyone's saying these are going to be the Airpod Killers, so we'll see. I'm about to connect it to my phone right now. All right, so this is the Airpod ones, and this is the OnePlus Buds. And you guys can tell, like, they basically almost look the same. The only thing that's different is the OnePlus has this. The shape is almost exactly the same. And the stem, of course, a little bit thicker, but the stem looks the same as well. It's crazy. These, they're almost the same. They're a little bit more grippier than the AirPods, but they're like right there. They're about the same. So inside the case, this is what it looks like. And if you drop your OnePlus in there, you just drop it. It just sits in there, no problem. Case closes, no hanging, everything good. Charging up. Nice little case. All right, but so I'm about to connect it to my Bluetooth right now. I see it right there already waiting for me, right down there. It took a while. I think it's because when I had them out of the case, it wasn't connecting. But right when I put them both in there, it popped up. So that might be the thing. Whatever, I don't care. I just want to try these bad boys out. The only thing that sucks, I think I've seen that for Android users, there will be an app for the OnePlus Buds, but for iOS, you won't get that app, but it's cool. All right, buds, I'm about to test out a couple of songs and see what it sounds like. This won't be the official review. I'll do a review later. I'm gonna use them for a week and then I'll post a review, a follow-up, so you guys can check that out. So subscribe to be ready for that. Here we go. All right, but just by listening to it right now, I can tell that the mids and the highs are really crispy. They sound really clear, and it has a nice bass to it. I like the bass in there. Everything sounds like it works together really well. The volume didn't seem super loud, but my wife says she can hear my earbuds from here. She's standing right on the other side of the camera. So I definitely want to try it for a week like I always do, because it is nighttime. I was at work blasting my speaker all day, so my ears are really tired. So I'm not getting the true sound. So I'm definitely gonna want to try them out throughout the week in the follow-up review. Because when your ears are tired, that's why when you watch a movie at night, you got to turn the volume up because you feel like you can't hear nothing. And when you wake up in the morning, the TV seems so loud. It's because your ears are tired. So, but yeah, bud. So that being said, I definitely want to give it a fair shake. Try it out for a week like I do with all the earbuds I review on this channel. And then I'll break it down to you guys from calling, how a podcast sounds, battery life, and all that. So I hope you guys like this little unboxing and the quick little tryout of the OnePlus Buds. I see you guys when I do the follow-up review. It should take me like a week to test these out. So I see you guys then. Be safe out there. Peace.